Hi guys, I'm on the road, but I just wanted to discuss something quickly because I get loads of messages about it. And I get people saying to me, "Oh yeah, I love this that you style, I love that you style, but you can't wear this, you can't wear that, you can't wear this, you can't wear that." And I think that's one of the misconceptions a lot of people have when it comes to style, thinking that they think that it's based on rules rather than principles, and eventually those principles become inspiration. It's a trend that you have to understand that eventually there is no format to it. It's what makes you feel good, is just how you want to express yourself, and that's what style is all about. I don't want anyone to think that it has to be in a certain way. And when you're learning, obviously, there's certain things you have to understand that will guide you for inspiration and that will guide you for principle. But in the long run, those are not the elements that would define a very stylish person. It's inspiration, what you're able to get out from the set rules. It's just like going to uni, for instance. You learn engineering, you learn physics. Those are principles, those are set assignments that guide you to be inspired to invent an aircraft that even your lecturer could not invent. Do you get what I'm saying? And that's exactly what style is as well. It's one of those things that you have to be looking forward to inspiration, and that's when you come into your own, and it's something that you have to look forward to. When you see people combine colors, you see me combine colors and things like that. Don't think that what I'm doing is a set rule. It's not. It's my inspiration. What you have to do is you have to try to build your own inspiration by understanding certain principles that this aligns with. And as time goes on, with you trying different things out, you end up finding inspiration to build things the way you want to build them. Guys, don't get into the habit of following what I see a lot of people do, especially but especially the older generation. When they coming out, it has to be this way. Oh, that doesn't work, that doesn't look good, why are you wearing a white socks? Why can't I? If I feel good about it, why can't I wear white socks? Why can't I wear green socks? Why can't I wear blue socks? And that's where we're headed, because I will keep saying this. I remember 7 years ago. It doesn't have to be even that far back. A lot of the things I see people wearing on the streets. We used to see these things like the chunky boots, the chunky loafers. We used to see on the catwalk, and it felt like couture. And now that's like everyday wear. It's baffling because I remember so clearly. I never could imagine the day I would see someone wearing chunky loafers. Come on, chunky loafers. But now it's now part of our style. Let's not make it sound like what it used to be then is style and what it is today is fashion. No, style and fashion transcends time. They move with time as well. It's not fixated. So what they had in the time past is not the real style, and what we have now is not. No, that's not the deal. Now they are building their own style, inspiration, and trends that the future generations will look at and take inspiration from to build their own. But for each generation, we can look back to what has been built and get inspiration for them. And it just goes on and on and on. Get your head out of that circle. Don't just sit in that circle and think that this is just what it's going to be. It's just, for instance, one of the things that I like to do, and I'm sure a lot of you must have noticed on my page, I wear a lot of different kinds of style, and that's because I don't want to be in a box. I started off wearing a lot of suits, but then I realized in the sense of being utilitarian, I really do wear suits. Let me wear style things the way I actually live. And then that's where I got into the aspect of suiting, casual, street smart, urban, chic. And as a result, I don't visibly or visually look awkward wearing any of these styles. But the minute you wear one style for 15 years and you change, a lot of people will be like, oh, it doesn't really look good. Or you're different. But if you're used to wearing different things, people just get on with it like, oh, it's you. You wear this, you wear that. But they don't realize that it's something that has registered in their brain to program them thinking that that's just how you dress. It's okay. That's why I don't dress in one particular way. I don't just wear suits anymore. I don't just wear nice trousers that are high-waisted. I wear jeans. I wear cargo pants. I wear sneakers. I put everything together because I don't go to the bakery in a suit. I don't go out with friends in a suit. I try to style things the way I would wear things on on a daily basis. Guys, I hope this was helpful. It was just a drive vlog, something that has just been on my mind, I've been thinking about for a while, and I thought I would share. A few things I said in there I would share in detail later on. Anyway, ciao.